All right, guys, I am getting zero feedback about the opening for miracles, and I'm just going to trust it's happening for you. But I would really love to get some feedback. I can share that yesterday, all the issues I'm having with the computer systems, understanding how they work. I'm at a 3-day seminar right now. I am there from 8:30 in the morning till 9:30 at night. And I happen to mention to the person who's presenting that I'm having some trouble with downloading and understanding a platform, which I put out on Facebook. Anybody know about that? Please help. He picked up his cell phone while we were talking, called his main IT person, who is like their master guru, and said, would you please give her a 1 hour free consultation? And this guy, they all charge a bloody fortune, 15 minutes. I don't even want to begin to explain the amount of money he just saved me. And the guy contacted me last night, and on Sunday will give me an hour to help me to understand this program that he personally knows better. So it's going to be like woof, right through. I mean, that was a miracle. I just haven't gotten feedback from anyone else, and I'm just so grateful. So I'm sharing my miracles. I hope you share yours, and let's jump in and get a few more. Let's stay open to the miracles always, but really concentrate on it for today and the weekend. Let yourself be open. We start with the Lord's Prayer and the prayer of protection. Please say them with me or repeat them after me. We'll go into a guided meditation where we will pull our spirits outward. This is our process for this particular type of meditation. I'd like to know what you think of it, especially since we changed it up some. Whenever I change the process, I'd like to give feedback. That's it. We end with the 23rd Psalm. Make sure we're all sealed up. Let's close our eyes, take a deep breath, and begin to invite ourselves to relax. Take another deep breath and invite yourself to relax even more. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Take another deep breath, and in your mind's eye, see in your body, and notice if there's any tension, and release it. If there's any muscle tightness, just squeeze it a little bit, let it relax, and release it. Go right through your shoulders, your arms, your hands, your back, your legs. Notice any tightness and release it. Let us bring our attention to the third eye, between our eyebrows, on our forehead, and on the crown, just above our head. Many of us at this point feel a sensation there when we bring our attention. It is because we are becoming much more sensitive to the subtle energies. Let us follow this beautiful flow of energy, which is always flowing, even when we're not paying attention to it. Let us follow it through our system, and as we follow it through, we will release our spirit to just in front of us by a few inches. Not fully out of our body, just lift it up slightly. As this beautiful energy from the divine fills our head, notice how your spirit starts to lift up. Our neck, shoulders, arms and hands, trunk, feet, thighs, knees, legs, ankles, and feet. can breathe a little bit more, like little stretches of prana. Notice how you're floating, yet you are still physically in your body, but you are also slightly loosened from your body. Let us look at our spiritual body and notice above it is another form that circles our head. This is our mental body, and this is the part that we want divine mercy to go through and remove any blocks that we consciously or unconsciously have placed, preventing us from receiving miracles. It is the divine's will to give us unconditionally. Miracles is his nature. We are so busy blocking it that when one gets through, we call it a miracle, when it really is just his nature. So in this place, feel the beautiful energy focusing in on the mental part of your body, feeling and your willingness to release and accept his will, which is a natural state of joy. Let us slowly start to pull ourselves back together, come to full consciousness. We close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Have a great weekend, guys.